Let a robo-advisor invest your money for you. Easy ways to start investing. Robo-advisors entered the investing scene about a decade ago and make investing as simple and accessible as possible. You don't need any prior investing experience, as robo-advisors take all of the guesswork out of investing. Robo-advisors work by asking a few simple questions to determine your goal and risk tolerance, and then investing your money in a highly diversified low-cost portfolio of stocks and bonds. Robo-advisors then use algorithms to continually rebalance your portfolio and optimize it for taxes. There's no easier way to get started in long-term investing. Most robo-advisors require just $500 or less to start investing and charge very modest fees based upon the size of your account. All offer automated investing plans to help you grow your balance. If there's any downside to robo-advisors, it's cost. Robo-advisors charge an annual fee equal to a small percentage of your balance. The industry average is about 0.25%. So if you invest $10,000, you'll pay $25 a year. That's not a lot of money, but it begins to add up if you amass hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's important to note that robo-advisors' fees are on top of the fees charged by the exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that robo-advisors buy to make up your portfolio. You can avoid paying the robo-advisor fees by building your own portfolio of ETFs or mutual funds. For the vast majority of investors, however, that's a lot of additional work and responsibility. The bottom line? Robo-advisors are cheap and well worth it.